The Rock, and Racing Fearless draws for your lead, moving up Shifty Gondor, running by the rail, Apple Splash, Reclamador on the outside, Virgin Island, while Norman's Fantasy was left behind as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, we have Apple Splash in command by about a length and a half. Fearless is in second, moving up on the outside, Gondor together with Virgin Island. Second last, Shifty, and Reclamador is bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 900. Apple Splash, still the leader, followed closely by Fearless. Gondor is on the outside. Racing in Port Virgin Island, down in Peep, is Shifty, and Reclamador is still running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 800, it's still Apple Splash maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Fearless remains in second. Gondor is on the outside. Third, Shifty, Virgin Island, and Reclamador is still in the tail of the field past the last 600. It is still Apple Splash maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead as they pass the last 450. Apple Splash still the leader. Throwing a challenge now on the outside is Fearless, closing in Shifty, Gondor, and Virgin Island as the action past the last 400. It is still Apple Splash, and on the outside is Fearless, now opted to run on the inside with the last 150 more to run. Apple Splash, Fearless remains in second, and on the outside Shifty. In the last 50 meters, it's still Apple Splash doing it from start to finish. Second, Fearless, Virgin Island, Shifty, then comes Gondor, and Reclamador comes in last.